This meditation improves your ability to ask for help. You can overcome your need to do it all yourself and feel more comfortable accepting help from others. Let's get started. Sit down comfortably and relax your body. Close your eyes and take a big roll of your shoulders back and let any tension go. Breathe in deeply into your belly and let the breath go out. Again, breathe in deeply into your belly and sigh out your breath. One last time, breathe in all the way and breathe out. Return to a comfortable breathing pattern. I want you to become aware of your body touching your seat or the ground. Become aware of any connection your body has with another object. Feel into the space where your body touches the object or place you are sitting on. Feel how supported you are by this connection. Try to let your body become heavy and even more relaxed. Let the ground and the seat beneath you support you completely. Feel how supported you are. And relax even more into this feeling and sensation. Feel the energy all around you and imagine this energy giving you a big hug. Feel with your body the energy around you caring for you and embracing you with love and gentle touch. Sense how the feeling of being cared for is flooding through your body. You feel completely safe, warm, and comfortable. You are cared for. You are loved. You are held. Feel how everything around you is holding you in the most comfortable and safe state of being that you can imagine. relaxing further into this most blissful state of being. It is an amazing and uplifting feeling to be cared for. For you to feel more of this feeling, you want people to care for you. So allow them to take care of you. Give them the pleasure to gift you with this feeling. It is a freeing and elevated feeling to be supported. For you to feel more of this feeling, you want to ask people to help you so you can feel supported. Allow your loved ones to help you when they can. It is a blissful and comforting feeling to be held safely. For you to feel more of this feeling, you want to allow people in your life to hold you when you need it. Allow yourself to let go of the need to be perfect and take the shoulders that are offered to lean on. You love to take care of others. You love to offer your help. You love to hold space for anyone who needs it. You love the feelings that come with it. So how about allowing others to have the same experience? Allow your loved ones to care for you and love this experience. Allow your friends to help you and for them to love that experience. Allow your special person to hold you and let them experience the amazing feeling that it gives you when you hold someone. Realize what kind of special gift you are giving when you can ask for help. Become aware of how you deepen your connections and friendships when you open up to receive help. Overcome the ego that tells you that you need to do it all yourself. We are all stronger together. Keep feeling a while longer into the sensation of being supported, being cared for, and being held safely. enjoy this feeling. Return to this beautiful time and space called your life. Take this magical feeling into your day and see the opportunities to ask for help. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and welcome a new version of you that is happy to ask for help.